Hi there! Today we are making a super tasty and easy Caesar salad with a little twist. We are breaking the classic rules just a bit by adding something extra. Crispy bacon. Yep, that salty crunch takes into the next level. And that's where we start. First up, the bacon. Fry it in a pan until it's golden and nice and crispy. Then set it aside to cool. Take your bread and cut it into cubes. Place them on a baking tray, drizzle with a little olive oil, and if you want, sprinkle some salt on top. Give it a quick toss, then put it into the oven at 200 degrees Celsius for around 15 minutes, until they're crunchy and golden brown. While the croutons are baking, wash and chop your romaine lettuce. Then slice the cucumber into thin pieces. Cut the cherry tomatoes in half and toss everything into a big salad bowl. Time for dressing. In a small bowl, mix about 1.5 tablespoons of mayo. Add a little salt and pepper to taste. If you like a bit more flavor, add a splash of the tasty brown sauce. You know, the W sauce. Then grate in some garlic and Parmesan. If the dressing feels too thick, just add a small splash of water to thin it out. Now pour the dressing over your salad. And the bacon and your crunchy homemade croutons. And to finish, top it with a bit more freshly grated Parmesan. And that's it. Your easy homemade Caesar salad, crunchy, creamy and full of flavor, is ready. Enjoy!